Welcome to Uzbekistan, a landlocked country in Central Asia with a rapidly growing economy and a rich cultural heritage. The official language is Uzbek, and the currency is Uzbek som. With its strategic location, Uzbekistan offers a gateway to markets in Asia and beyond. Foreign investors can register companies to operate in various sectors, including import and export, manufacturing, real estate, and technology. The registration process is streamlined, allowing you to establish a business efficiently. Uzbekistan's economy is diverse, with major industries including textiles, agriculture, and energy. The government offers incentives for foreign investment, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs. At JRN Firm, we manage the complete setup process for you, including company registration, bank account opening, and obtaining business and work visas for you and for your staff. Let us help you navigate the opportunities in Uzbekistan's dynamic market. Contact us today to get started.